The culture here at Ace Pipe is very welcoming.
First thing in the morning when you walk in, you're going to get a good morning, whether you want to hear it or not. It's really relaxed, yet professional.
I like the people.
The secret sauce is the attitude and the people. It feels like family here. That's why I've stayed. If I need some help, I don't feel uncomfortable to ask for it.
We're making a huge attempt at making employees feel it from day one like you're part of the team. You're a valuable asset to our company.
They don't treat me any differently because I'm a woman. You know, I want to be treated fairly. I don't want special treatment.
We do something different almost every day. Whether you're in the field or in here, it's just a different problem or a different solution that we need to come up with. So that's what makes this job so fun.
You know, one day they may be hauling trash dumpsters out to the landfill. The next day they may be operating a street sweeper. Next day they'll be, cleaning sewer lines or televising sewer lines that they've cleaned.
When I came here, the position I hold now wasn't even here. It didn't exist. They saw the need for it. We've had some really good success getting guys CDLs, which is a huge problem in all the workforce today. The opportunities are endless. I come across new ones all the time.
I feel like there's definitely room to grow here with Ace.
This day and age, the community is very concerned about keeping the waterways clean. So Ace Pipe Cleaning is highly regarded in the community.
We've got a really good relationship with Kansas City. We're doing a lot of maintenance work for Lee Summit, Liberty, all the surrounding communities.
It becomes a partnership rather than just a client-vendor relationship.
I feel like I did something at the end of the day. It's a purpose. It must be done in our environment. For my grandchildren's grandchildren going down the road. So I do feel somewhat complete at the end of the day.
That's what I'm the most proud of, is the impact we make on the communities that we work in. That's why we wake up and do what we do.